What is going on, everyone? So today I'm getting into a pickups video, my first normal video in a couple days, if you guys could probably tell on my channel. But in this video I'm just going to be showing you guys some recent pickups I have had. Some of these you have seen, but I want to discuss them more in depth, and then some of them you have not seen, and I'm actually pretty excited to show them to you all on camera. You know, I've had a lot going on lately, as you guys can probably tell, but I hope you guys will enjoy this video aside from everything. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe below. Thank you all for 9,000. I really do appreciate it. I haven't even been able to discuss that lately, but thank you all for 9K, and you know, road to 10K to 10,000 subscribers. We're going to probably be doing a massive giveaway. I would assume it include, you know, hype sneakers like Yeezys and other stuff that you guys can definitely decide and choose from, because that's the idea. I want to give you guys something that you guys will enjoy. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Drop a like if you enjoy it. Let's be at 200 likes. Basically just my recent Hypebeast pickups. So let's get started. Okay, so the first pickup I actually just picked up yesterday, if this video is being uploaded on the correct date. So it's a pickup from Neiman Marcus, and it is a chain, because I've always wanted a chain, and I really hadn't even like discussed it whatsoever. But you know, I'd always wanted one, and I didn't want one that'd be too crazy. Like, I'm not gonna drop so much money into chain because it's not necessary. So I just decided to get a basic Neiman Marcus chain. Well, not really basic, because you know, it's a really nice chain, silver chain, and I do love the sort of design it has. I know there's probably a bunch of different terms for chains, but as you guys can see, you know, we got the Neiman Marcus case right here. Really, really nice. And I'm glad that they actually did include this cloth right here, just basically to take care of it. It's a jewelry protection thing, and it just allows you to like clean it and keep it protected, which I really do appreciate that. So here we go. We just got a little case right here. So I'm gonna take it out of that, and I'll show you guys the chain. I'll try and be as careful as I can with it, but here we go. I'm gonna take it out, and here we go. So basically it's an all silver chain. I got it for a good deal. It's $305, I think, with tax, so that's a pretty good deal. And I love this chain. I might as well just put it on, but I mean, this is a lovely chain. I'm excited that I was able to purchase it, because you know, I've been wanting something like this for a while, as I said, and you know, I guess I just decided, you know what, now's the time. So I decided to cop one. I'm having a bit of trouble getting it off, as you guys can tell, but I will eventually. So here we go. I'm gonna put it on, and there you go. As you can see, nothing crazy. I'm not trying to use this to flex on anybody, but you know, I definitely have always wanted one, and I decided, you know what, I've been waiting for so long, I might as well just decide to do it last day of Christmas break. So I got the silver chain right here. I love it. I'm gonna take really good care. I will wear it every so often, I assume, but that's pretty much my first pickup right there. Just a silver chain I got from Neiman Marcus, and you know, I'm pretty happy that I was able to get it. Okay, so the next pickup, I've discussed this one a good bit, and I thought I'd just show it to you all really quick, because it's a recent Hypebeast pickup video. You know, I'm discussing everything I've picked up recently in the last few weeks, like 2 weeks or so, all this stuff. So right here, we just got some minimal jeans, and as you guys can see, it's the M1 denim, so there you guys go. I love the distressings, especially by the knee area, where you guys can see the denim sort of hangs out right there. I really do appreciate that. However, I did figure out with jeans for minimal, you definitely want to go a size up, and I found that out because these do not really fit me, or they do, but they're extremely tight, and I'm not trying to wear skinny jeans, so that's one thing right here. Definitely should have gotten a different size. But here are the minimal jeans, and I do like the look of them, sort of how like the color fades all over them, as you guys can see. The distressings are pretty nice, so that's another item right there. And the next item, you guys have seen these. Some of you probably have. As you guys can see, I have the Yeezy 350 here, and these are the V2 blue tints. So I'm gonna take them out of the box right here, see if I can get them out without destroying the box, because I put them in sort of weird, so I gotta see if I can even get them out. I just really only did it for this video. All right, so here we go. Yeezy 350 blue tint. As you guys can see, I've worn these once, and these are for the personal collection, not for resale. Bought it off StockX. So here we go, blue tints, and these are so comfortable. I sold my 750, and I got these and a little bit left over. They're definitely legit. As you guys can see from StockX, shout out to them. They have the great steals and prices. They have pretty good prices. I usually like market, but I'm willing to pay market for these, and these are pretty clean, as you guys can see there. I'll let you guys look at that. Recent pickup though, I got these for $340, $350, so decent deal. I know market's right, like when I got them, that was like a steal, but now I think that's right around the market price. So there we go, $350 Yeezy V2s, and the blue tints. I originally called them the blue tint zebras, and I don't really know why I said that, but here you go. You guys can see all that. Just, it's really good condo still after wearing it once. I did wear these to SOE, as you guys could saw if you watched those vlogs. A lot happened in those vlogs, you know, just pretty crazy stuff, but there you guys go right here. 350 V2 blue tints, one of my favorite items I've ever had. Like, they're so comfortable, almost too comfortable in a sense, but that's like just complaining, and I don't need to do that. These are very, very comfortable. I plan to wear these more in the future. So definitely another one of my Hypebeast pickups is the Yeezy V2 350 blue tints. And finally, my just final recent Hypebeast pickup, which you guys have seen. Again, I really just, when I showed you guys these, I really didn't even discuss them, but here are the What the KDs, as you guys can see. And you know, I know these go for not too much, but a decent amount, and I love this. As you guys can see, like, look, each one is different. This one sort of has like a feather pattern. This one's just regular, as you guys can see, but it fades differently. Like, look how the colors fade differently in each one. This one's a bit more, you know, fades pretty quickly, and this one is like almost green the whole time. So as you guys can see, these, I mean, the name of them really does explain it. Like, I can't explain it other than like, this is like crazy, or each one's different. This one, like right here, the KD is like a metallic material, and then this one is not a metallic material, it's like plastic. So you guys can see each one is different, and these Hypebeast pickups are just crazy, I gotta say that. So I mean, they're not crazy, but I mean, they mean a lot to me, because you know, I've not picked up this much stuff at once in a while and been able to put it in a video. But as you guys can see, the name explains it all. The What the KDs, by far one of my favorite sneakers ever, actually, because you know, I've never actually worn a pair of KDs, and they're actually quite comfortable. And you know, I gotta say, I give them credit for this, because I'm sort of a guy that likes a lot of really odd style. As you guys see, things are just completely random, and this definitely fits my style, as you guys can see, and I'll plan to change that. So another item right there, the What the KDs. Okay, so my final pickup, really quickly gonna show you guys all these Supreme stickers, which I really did go over it too much, but there you guys can see, we got like 35 Supreme stickers, I believe, and you guys see that's a lot of stickers. I've seen people plenty more though, so I got like a brick of Supreme stickers for a pretty good deal, and I'm excited I got these. Leave suggestions down below of what you guys think I should do with these. I mean, I've asked that already, and I'm just still stuck. I mean, I've seen some good ideas, but I've just been hesitant. So if any of you have a really good idea on what to do with these, like make a video on it or something like that, go ahead, I'd love to hear it. And I guess just one more thing from Supreme would have to be these Akira stickers, as you guys can see. So right there, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I believe this is the Yamagata scene. You guys can see he's wearing a box logo there, and then this one is this from the Pill Tee, and then same thing, Yamagata, and then the same thing, Pill Tee. So that's really all my pickups right there. I'm gonna get into the outro, so let's roll on to that. Anyways though, thank you all for watching this video. I appreciate you guys' constant love as you guys do show it, and you know, I'm really grateful for this. We're about to hit 10K, and I didn't even expect to get here. Like, I've said this, I think I've said this so many times on my channel, from when I was at 500 subscribers, I can't believe I'm at this, 1,000, 1,500. Now we're at 9.1K, about to be 9.2K, and the growth's been insane lately, and I actually need to say thank you. I could not do any of this without you all. Like, everything I have here was done, like, with the help of you all. Like, when you guys watch those ads in my videos and do that, it does help. Like, this is how I'm, like, this right here, this sneaker right here was fully paid from YouTube. This, the What the KDs, the chain, everything, and a little bit of resign too. Like, you guys are really helping me out. I need to say thank you for that. But enough talk. If you guys are new, go ahead and subscribe below. I'd especially appreciate that. Another thing you guys can do, just close it out. Drop a like this video. Let's get 200 likes for this recent Hypebeast pickups video. I'd appreciate it. But anyways, thank you all as always, and peace out.